All right. Y'all make sure you take out your planner. Take out your planner. Okay, today is Monday the 9th. The agenda is on the sideboard. Again, if you hadn't done so, please make sure that your first and last name is on your packet. Today is the 9th, 1/9/23. Oh, it feels weird writing 2023. The items or the things that are due this week, the assignments, we have our warm up, our homework. Our quiz on Friday is on Find and Slope. Our quiz Friday is on Find and Slope. That's what we're doing this week. Okay. I may put some linear and nonlinear, the difference between linear and nonlinear on there as well. So please study those things. The essential questions are also on the board. Describe how to find the slope and y-intercept of an equation, of a line, given 2 points. And we more than likely won't get to the last two questions. I may have to push those to next week. That's why you don't see that on the board. Okay, because I don't know that we'll have enough time to do the last two. On the agenda, we're going to write in our planner. We're going to write our goal down in our planner. I'm going to go over the warm up. Okay, you're going to review linear and nonlinear in an assignment that's on Canvas. Please make sure that you have your laptop. Take your laptop out and put on your desk because we're going to go to Canvas in a minute. We have an assignment on Canvas to do. I'm going to model for you today how to find slope. And then if we have time, I'm going to do some guided practice with you on calculating slope. This week, we need to make sure that we study finding slope, linear and nonlinear, the difference between linear versus nonlinear. That's what we need to be studying this week. I'm going to pause to give you a chance to write. All right, let's write in our planner. In the front of our planner, we need to write down our goal. Thank you, baby. Our goal for this week. This is the 9th, 1/9. Again, this is 2023. This is the 9th. All right, so we need to make sure that we write our goal down for the week. Let me pause for the calls. But you write your own goal down. My goal this week is going to be the same as last week. Make sure that I get at least one Desmos thing in because I didn't do it last week. So my goal is the same. All right, let's go to a new sheet. Please make sure you write your goal. Let's go to a new sheet. This is week 8 at the top. Anybody else need a sheet? Did I miss anybody that needed a sheet? Okay. So in our planner, this is 1/9/2023 through the 13th, okay? 2023. This is quarter 2, week 8, okay? Please make sure you write that at the top. Isaac, let's write this in, baby. Let's write this in. Monday, Math 8 homework. We need to make sure that we study our notes and complete our homework. Complete homework. Okay. All right. Pause for the calls. All right. Let's go to our warm up. Monday's warm up. We're doing problem number 1. Please mark out problem number 2. In the diagram, the line R is parallel. This is line R, which is parallel to line S. This is R, this is S. Parallel means that the lines are in the same flat surface, same plane, but they never cross each other. That's what makes them parallel. The line that cuts a pair of parallel lines is called the transversal. This has one transversal line here. In the picture, this angle that's formed is 152 degrees. Okay. In this picture, this is a right angle. This right angle means that this angle right here is 90 degrees. The other angles that are 152 degrees are the angle. This is a transversal right here. So that, and this is two parallel lines. So the angle that's in the similar position as this angle here is this 2. So 2, because it's in the corresponding angles, angle 2 is also 152 degrees. Okay, angle 2 is directly beside angle 3. So since angle 2 is 152 degrees, and angle 2 and 3 are adjacent, which they also form a straight line, which means the two combined is 180 degrees. How do I find the measurement of angle 3? What do I do to find the measurement of this angle if these two angles are supplementary? Any idea? What you need, baby? Yeah, open it. Yeah, you gotta come get a key. Okay, Hayden, how long have you been? Okay. You never knew that. You gotta come get a key, baby. Somebody had the key earlier, or I would have, and they just, I guess, brought it back and you didn't see them bring it back. How do you find this missing angle measurement here? You subtract. What are you subtracting? Pause to give you a chance to think about it. What is the measurement of a straight line? A measurement of a straight line is 180 degrees. Right. So if this part of the angle is 152, to find the missing part, you subtract. So you're going to say 180 minus 152. Okay. Subtract that and then circle your answer, please. Okay. I'm going to pause to give you a chance to get the answer there. All right. Let's look at the homework. The homework is labeled 7, but we're doing this in week 8. Okay. So you can erase 7 and put that this is Q2W8. Sorry, y'all. I don't know why. This is Q2W8. All right. So in Monday's homework, you are identifying if the angles are side by side, that's adjacent. Side by side. Vertical, the angles are diagonal. They're diagonal from each other, and they're also congruent, which means they have the same measurement. Complementary is two angles whose sum is 90 degrees. Supplementary is two angles whose sum is 180 degrees. And a linear pair are two angles that form a straight line. Angles form a straight line. Okay? So those are the definitions. I'm going to pause to give you a chance to write. All right, here we go. So now you can identify which one's which. Let's look at it. Let's look at number 1. What kind of angle is this? Is it adjacent, vertical, complementary, supplementary, or is it a linear pair? 1 and 2. It's adjacent. It's side by side. So that's what you're going to do. You're going to identify which one of these definitions match the picture and write that definition there. On the bottom, it says name acute vertical angles. So you're going to look to see when you name an angle. If I'm naming this angle right here, the name of this angle is FGA. So start from the outer, inner, and then to D outer again, okay? If I'm naming this angle right here, it's A, G, B. If I'm naming this angle right here, it's A, G, C. This angle right here is C, G, D. This angle on the bottom here, D, G, E. And this angle on this side, it can be E, G, F. Okay? All right. And that's how you do the homework for tonight. Okay? Did everybody get the definitions at the top? Okay. All right, let's put this packet in our folder on work to do side and put your laptop in front of you. All right, we're going to go to Canvas and we're going to do the activity that's on Canvas. Okay.